Me too. We are back in the beam. Trying to find parking. Oh, she looking. Thank you. Chill out. Chill. Yo, there's a bucket. I don't know if you can see it. No, you lie. That car is fire though. We gotta find parking. Like, I'm driving in regular drive. No downshifting today. Oh my gosh. No. See the problem? What is my issue, bro? Where am I going? What the where am I going? Yo. Where am I going? Oh, frick. I don't know where I'm going, bro. Can I U-turn? I actually gotta turn around, bro. I gotta turn around. I gotta turn around, bro. Hold up. Bro, so I'm currently like in a random parking lot because I lost the place where I was. Oh my goodness, bro. Like, I'm cooked, bro. I'm downloading Google Maps right now, bro. Like, I lost the place, bro. We're in a school restriction. Am I black? That's crazy. Got it on video.